Simple pancake recipe. Hello budding chefs. Today, we will learn how to whip up simple and fluffy pancakes. Pancakes are a delightful breakfast option, loved by many. Let's start whipping. Ingredients: 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of milk, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, butter for cooking, maple syrup for serving. Instructions: 1. In a bowl, mix the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. 2. In another bowl, beat the egg and add the milk to it. 3. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and mix well to form a batter. 4. Heat a pan over medium heat and add a little butter to it. 5. Pour a scoop of batter into the pan and cook until bubbles form on the surface. 6. Flip the pancake and cook the other side until golden brown. 7. Repeat the process with the remaining batter. 8. Serve the pancakes warm with maple syrup. 9. Enjoy your fluffy and delicious pancakes.